The Little Girl and the Talking Basket, a magical secret. What if a simple basket could talk? Would it be a blessing or a big trouble? Let's find out in today's magical story. Once upon a time, in a quiet village, lived a kind little girl named Aisha. She loved helping her mother in the fields and carrying fruits in a big basket. One sunny morning, Aisha picked up the basket, and suddenly she heard a tiny voice whisper, "Hello there." Startled, she barely made outside. She looked around. No one was there. The voice came again. "Down here, it's me, the basket." Aisha's eyes grew wide. "A talking basket? How is this possible?" The basket chuckled. "I have magic. Whatever you put inside me, I can make it double." Aisha was amazed. She put one apple inside, and instantly 2 apples appeared. "Wow, this is wonderful." Day after day, Aisha used the magical basket to help her mother. They had more food, more fruits to share, and even gave some to poor neighbor. But one greedy shopkeeper noticed. He followed Aisha and discovered the secret of the basket. That night, he stole it. Excited, he filled the basket with gold coins. Instantly, the coins doubled. He laughed loudly, "I'll be the richest man in the village." But the basket suddenly spoke. Greed is never rewarded. All the coins turned into stones. The shopkeeper cried in shock. The next morning, the basket rolled itself back to Aisha's home. It whispered softly, "Kindness keeps magic alive." Aisha smiled and promised to always use it wisely. Moral of the story: greed destroys blessings, but kindness multiplies them.